day out here. Hey, real fast, I'll give you a little different view here. With the Palmdale cutoff, but we're on the other side of the tracks. Union Pacific heading down here. Boy, you smell that lumber. It smells great. It smells fresh. Missouri Pacific lines. Got a lot of nice old gondolas here. That's a loose stack of lumber. Oh, it smells wonderful. It smells like pine trees. Yeah, it rained, so I think that lumber got wet. It has a wonderful smell. Very fresh out here today. Got some wonderful old box cars here. A lot of these are from Mexico. All these are from Mexico right here. Faro series, about 10 or 20 of them. Faro mix. FXC. Looks like this train's probably coming from Mexico. Got a little dynamic braking going on. Backwards elephant style. All right, now we'll get the view. This is the view we normally get here. Little different angle, it's nice. Going down the Palmdale cutoff towards West Colton. wind's blowing. So the tightest part of the pass right here, the wind really gets gusty. I've been having some problem with my video. I was going at 4K HD and it kept crashing. I've changed to HD 60 frames per second now, and we'll see how this turns out. It didn't crash. A lot of Union Pacific today. It's been really weird. I had about 5 Union Pacifics and only 2 BNSFs, and 3 of the Union Pacifics were on the BNSF tracks, so they're hauling some freight today. The roads are crazy down there today. That's Route 66. That's going towards Las Vegas. The highway over here is really backed up, so they're taking that and they're driving like maniacs. So it's going to be a good day to go home early and get out here early tomorrow morning when it's safe. And all those box cars there, those dark red ones, were from Mexican companies, Ferromex, Ferrosur, FXE. You can really see that burn area today. Great visibility today. Yep, there's wind out here. I apologize. That's part of the deal. Ooh, man, it's blowing me around. Should see the end of the train pretty soon. Alright, real fans, Cajon Pass. Please like, follow, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel and Instagram page. Love you guys. Take care. Thanks a lot.